Welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith, and this is your weekly update. This week, your kids will be doing Masterpiece Monday, Wanderlust Wednesday, and Fun Film Friday. On Monday, we'll be talking about the artist Georgia O'Keeffe, and your kids will get to paint one of her famous poppies. On Wednesday, we'll be doing a bit of a culture fusion, and your kids will be traveling both to Honduras and Japan, and then they'll get to make one of these famous flying Japanese fish kites. On Friday, the film is Dora and the Lost City of Gold, and your kids will get to make a crocodile that they might find with Dora as they traipse through the jungle. All of the supply lists for all of these projects are directly below this video, and they're on the individual videos as well. Thanks so much. Have a great week.